Hello, my name is Art Majlessi. I'm the principal member of the Majlessi Law firm. I would like you to meet some of our clients who I have had the pleasure of representing.
He was recommended by a family member that he had helped him out once, and so I gave him a call. He sent someone out right away and was very attentive and sensitive to my case. I didn't feel like I was, a little fish in a big pond when he worked with me. Even though I know he had other caseloads, but he worked with me one-on-one, made me feel very comfortable. Not only comfortable, but made me felt that personal touch, which I liked. So I knew I was in good hands.
I had a traffic accident about 3 years ago that Art helped me with. And the woman that was driving the car that hit me ran the red light, just hit my little Miata and drove it into the next time zone. But I somehow or another had the presence of mind when it happened to call around and find an attorney. And I talked to 4 or 5 different ones, and I liked Art the best. And he was pretty quick to point out that some of the things that happen as a result of side impact car collisions don't show themselves, don't rear their ugly heads for even as much as a year or two.
He gave me a cell phone, and I would call him whenever I had questions. And sometimes I would have questions 2 or 3 times during the week. And he would never feel irritated. He would always feel glad to hear from me. He would answer my questions thoroughly. He has very strong convictions, which I like. And I was very impressed when I was working with him and going to a disposition where there were other people in his profession, and they were very impressed about his work ethics as well. So that really made me feel extra comfortable because all I heard was good things about him.
I found Art through the Yellow Pages. I was really impressed by his appearance, and I wanted to meet with him to find out if he was the attorney for me. After speaking with him, he showed so much conviction and so much honesty, I felt that he was the attorney for me. What really impresses me about Art is that he goes to work. I mean, he really fights for you. He puts everything on the table, and as long as you're honest and truthful with him, you'll be surprised at the excellent results that Art can get for you.
I'm pretty critical of people, and he's one of the more intelligent people that I've run across. He's a guy that does his due diligence, he does his homework, he learns about whatever it is he needs to do, and he does it right. I'd hire him in a minute.
Not only he's a very good attorney, but he makes you feel like he really, like, I can't express this enough, he cares. And I feel like he's a good friend of mine. That's how he comes, as a good personal friend. And I would highly recommend him to anyone that's out there.
Call the Majlessi Law Firm at 800-416-4044. We look forward to winning for you.